There is a Jamaican drink so strong that airlines will not even let you carry it onto a plane. It's a national treasure and a fire hazard at the same time. Let me introduce you to it and to the rest of what Jamaica pours. It is white overproof rum. The most famous one sits at around 63% alcohol, almost double a normal spirit. It is so flammable that it is restricted on flights, and yet it is woven through Jamaican life, from celebrations to rituals to a little splash for the spirits. But Jamaica is not all fire. At Christmas, every home makes sorrel, a deep red drink from hibiscus, ginger, and spice. Sweet, sharp, and the taste of the holiday. Then there is a proper Jamaican ginger beer, with enough real ginger to make your eyes water. And Ting, a grapefruit soda that the whole island runs on when the sun is high. For something richer, there is Irish moss and roots tonic. Sea moss drinks thick and sweet, sold on street corners and sworn by for strength and energy. And to wake up the next morning, Blue Mountain coffee, one of the most prized and expensive coffees on earth, grown in the mist on those very mountains. Fire, spice, and sweetness, all from one island. If you love the full flavour of Jamaica, we put on a t-shirt. It's linked below. Tell me in the comments, which one are you brave enough to try?